The Krishi Jagran team was deeply honored to welcome Shri Sanjay Nath Singh, the eldest grandson of one of India's most revered figures, former Prime Minister Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri. During his visit, Mr. Singh took a tour of the Krishi Jagran office, engaging with our team members. Later, he graced us with his presence for the significant gathering at KJ Chaupal. The founder and editor-in-chief of Krishi Jagran, MC Dominic, extended a warm and heartfelt welcome to Mr. Singh.
That simplicity he inherited from his father, we can see, grandfather, we can see in reality here today. And today he is getting the All India Farmers Association, where he is devoted his after his retirement, the whole time he has devoted to the farming community, and he is an inspiration for many of us. So I am sure today he will share some lights what he is doing with the farming community, and I am sure with his guidance and support, we will be able to do much more in this sphere where we are working now.
Mr. Singh shared valuable insights gained from his role as the President and Secretary General of the All India Farmers Association. Furthermore, he eloquently shared his personal experience as the eldest grandson of the iconic Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri.
I went to the CIA office and looked for Mr. Tyagi and I found him. And I saw a picture plastered on one of the walls of his cubicle. Now that was something which shook me. It also brought back to me my memories of my grandfather turning the lawns of his residence at Penjanford into a farm. All over the country, if you go to urban locations and ask people, the first picture of the image of a farmer comes torn clothes, with his hands folded. He's asking for some kind of raham for sustenance and all that. So that is the kind of picture we have in mind. And India's agriculture is actually a very big success story. With all the facts and figures which I have given you, when we could not, with all so much of land, we could not feed 40 crore people. We were shipped to mouth. We have reached a situation today that we have food in surplus. We can export also, we can feed other countries as well. How do you make the person interested? One is recognize his profession. Give that person a recognition. Make him more professional. Get him more technology. Make him part of, the farmer should be part of the digitalization.
The Chaupal concluded with a group photograph session and a vote of thanks delivered by the group editor and CMO of Krishi Jagran, Mamta Jain. For more updates on Agri News, stay tuned with Krishi Jagran Business.